The fracture fragments of the distal radius are reduced, and the volar distal radius plate is applied to the bone, covering the fracture side. Next, the plate is temporarily fixed to the bone with 3 by 1.35 mm K-wires, 1 into the shaft and 2 distally. Using X-ray imaging, the quality of reposition as well as the correct placement of the plate are analyzed. The inserted K-wires preview the screw trajectory. If the K-wires are proximal to the joint surface, then all fixed angle screws will be proximal to the joint surface as well. After drilling with a 1.7 mm drill bit and depth measurement, 2.4 mm cortical screw is inserted into the oblong hole. The K-wire in the shaft can then be removed. Next, the distal portion of the plate is fixed with variable angle locking screws using the variable drill guide. After determining the correct length, the variable angle locking screw is inserted. The same steps are repeated for the entire distal and proximal row, while the remaining K-wires are removed. The remaining 2.4 mm locking screws for the shaft are inserted, and the final construct and reduction is evaluated under fluoroscopy. Additional aiming guide options are available in the set, including a threaded drill guide and a peak radiolucent drill guide, which can be used according to surgeon's preference. Even more versatility is provided with our low-profile configuration distally, which can be seen in the lateral view.